I will use IBM SPSS to produce statistical data analysis for survey and research reports. That is my niche. I specialize on IBM SPSS Statistics for data analysis. Yeah, I do statistics data analysis as an expert, and I'll produce professional statistical reports. I'm highly skilled in other statistical tools like Stata, R, Power BI for visualization, Python for data scientist, Minitab, Tumblr, Excel, and Excel stats. I also will do statistical data reports on descriptive statistics, multi-regressional, multilinear regression, and all that package is at $15. So ensure you reach out. Thank you.